I think I better bring some dandelion greens home today. I promise I'll bring dandelion greens home, and I promise you'll get your exercise this evening.
Well, typically, chicken pot pie is a comfort food, and as you know, most things that say comfort food are high in fat and high in calories. So, do we need to sacrifice and never eat it again? Absolutely not. We just need to give it this make under and make it lower in fat, lower in sodium, lower in calories, so that we can still enjoy this wonderful dish but not have to worry about all the calories. Well, it sounds delicious, and we know that part of staying simple.
And as you can see, someone else is sleeping quietly, and this person is very upset today.
Healthy food is simply beautiful. The chemical and synthetic
Not
materials in your
happy.
food are absorbed by your body. Make sure you cook with the freshest and most natural ingredients you can find.
I am now getting bunny butt. Officially.